Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Calendar API in a Node app. Complete guide step by step clearly. To enable the Google Calendar API in your Node app, start by visiting the Google Cloud Console. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. Create a new project by clicking on the project drop-down at the top. Select New Project from the drop-down menu. Name your project and click the Create button. Once your project is created, you will be taken to the project dashboard. In the left sidebar, click on APIs and Services. Then, click on Library. In the API library, search for Google Calendar API. Click the Enable button to activate the API for your project. After enabling the API, navigate to the Credentials tab in the sidebar. Click on the Create Credentials button. Choose OAuth Client ID as the credential type. You may need to configure the consent screen if prompted. Fill in the required fields for the consent screen and save. Under Application Type, select Web Application. Add authorized redirect URIs, such as http://localhost 3000/OAuth2 callback. Click the Create button to generate your OAuth client ID. Take note of your client ID and client secret for future use. Next, install the necessary Node.js packages by opening your terminal. Run npm install Google APIs Express to install the Google API Client Library and Express Framework. Create a new JavaScript file for your Node app, such as app.js. In your app.js file, require the necessary packages at the top. Use const google = require Google APIs to import Google APIs. Set up an Express server to handle client requests. Create an endpoint for the OAuth2 callback, where Google will redirect after successful authentication. Implement the necessary functions to generate the authentication URL. Direct users to the authentication URL when they need to log in. Handle the OAuth2 callback by exchanging the authorization code for tokens. Store the access and refresh tokens securely for future API requests. Finally, use the Google Calendar API to create, read, or modify events as per your app's functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.